Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the court interview. Today's problem number 867, transpose matrix. Given a 2D integer array matrix, return the transpose of matrix. The transpose of a matrix is the matrix flipped over its main diagonal, switching the matrix row and column indices. So let's do it. I'll create a simple solution uh, that that just copy the values from input matrix to the new result matrix. Uh, this changing rows and columns. So first of all I need to count initial number of rows and number of columns of initial matrix, and then create the result matrix, this switching numbers of rows and columns, and after it copy the all values from initial matrix to result matrix. So let's do it. First of all, let's count rows. It's number of item in matrix. Number of calls is number of matrix at index 0. So it number of items in the first row. Let's create result matrix with zeros. Now we will switching rows and columns. So here it will be 0 multiplied by number of rows for I in range, number of columns. And now let's create nested loops. And let's add the values to result with flipped indices. So result of ji equals to initial matrix at index I j. That's it, and return result. So let's check the tests. Something yes, typo. Check again. Yes, it works. So it works, and it's a very simple solution. It has a time complexity O of number of rows multiply to number of columns, and also it has a complexity of memory is O of rows multiplied by calls. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.